In today's digital age, social media platforms have become powerful tools for businesses to reach and engage with their target audience. Among these platforms, TikTok has emerged as a game changer, offering brands the opportunity to create viral campaigns that capture the attention of millions. If you're looking to unlock the secret behind successful TikTok campaigns, look no further. In this article, we will delve into 3 inspiring success stories that will reveal how you can make your brand go viral on TikTok. The power of authenticity. Charli D'Amelio's rise to fame. When it comes to creating viral content on TikTok, authenticity is key. One prime example is Charli D'Amelio, who skyrocketed to fame by simply being herself. With her genuine and relatable videos showcasing her dance moves and everyday life moments, she quickly gained a massive following. The lesson here is clear. Don't be afraid to let your brand's personality shine through on TikTok. Share behind-the-scenes footage or showcase real people using your products in creative ways. By staying true to your brand values and connecting with viewers on a personal level, you can build an authentic presence that resonates with users. Leveraging trends. Ocean Spray's Fleetwood Mac Challenge. TikTok thrives on trends and challenges that capture users' attention worldwide. A perfect example of leveraging trends for marketing success is Ocean Spray's Fleetwood Mac Challenge campaign. After Nathan Apodaca posted a video of himself skateboarding while drinking Ocean Spray cranberry juice and listening to Dreams by Fleetwood Mac, the internet went wild with countless recreations of this moment captured in various creative ways. To replicate this kind of success for your own brand campaign, keep an eye on trending challenges or popular sounds, music within the app. Find innovative ways to incorporate your brand or products into these trends, creating content that resonates with users and encourages them to participate. Collaborations. Chipotle's #Guac Dance Challenge. Collaborating with influencers and creators is a powerful strategy for boosting your brand's visibility on TikTok. Chipotle successfully executed this approach with their #Guac Dance Challenge, partnering with popular TikToker David Dobrik. The challenge encouraged users to show off their dance moves while incorporating guacamole-making gestures, a fun and engaging way to promote Chipotle's guacamole recipe. The campaign garnered millions of views and user-generated content, spreading awareness about the brand in an entertaining manner. To replicate this success, consider teaming up with relevant influencers or creators who align with your brand values and have a large following on TikTok. By leveraging their existing audience, you can tap into new markets while building credibility through association. In conclusion, viral TikTok campaigns are not just reserved for big brands. Any business can achieve extraordinary results by understanding the secrets behind successful campaigns. Authenticity is crucial. Be yourself and let your brand shine through in creative ways that resonate with viewers. Keep an eye on trending challenges and incorporate your brand into them thoughtfully. Lastly, collaborations can amplify your reach exponentially by tapping into existing audiences of influential TikTokers. By implementing these strategies inspired by real success stories from Charli D'Amelio, Ocean Spray, and Chipotle, you'll be well equipped to create viral TikTok campaigns that captivate audiences worldwide. So why wait? Start brainstorming ideas today. Unleash the power of TikTok for your business and watch as it takes off like never before.